Today we are opening Bionicle. Yay! Woohoo!
With 60, mine has 63. His has 62 pieces.
So we have Protector of Fire. We have Protector of Ice. I don't know if they have names, but it doesn't say their names. So I don't know.
Fire.
Who cares? Let's just open them. So open your fire. Tear it apart or something. Okay, that works too. And there's the pieces. And
instructions?
Paper. Yeah, okay. I'm not good building stuff by myself. I need instructions on how to build stuff. Okay, now. So,
it has all their names.
So, yeah, it's in a different language. There's the helmet. There's recruit. There's that, and we put those together. You get the champion. So let's open this. Okay.
Yeah, this is them dying. Did these get on their face?
Oh yeah, I guess those are little things like face huggers.
Right, it says we have to start building. It says that we don't need instructions, just go with the flow.
Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Go with the great flow. So it doesn't even say instructions?
Yeah, it doesn't.
Do they expect us to know how to build this?
Yeah.
That tape right there. We got that tape off finally. Time to get the other piece of tape off.
I need the face area.
So he's gonna be building. This looks very difficult.
Well, I found it. Right now, like this, I think.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the video real quick, and I'll unpause it when I'm done. Okay, so I got it open finally. Just trying to separate it from his pieces. And okay, so Jesus. Here's all the stuff. I can see the mask already. Right there. Here's the paper. Hopefully, I think the instructions. And that's it. So then it's just the box, which I am totally gonna keep because it looks awesome.
Yes, I think this is probably.
It's not. That came out of your box.
Oh, his eyes are blue. I think this is where this goes.
Who knows? We'll find out. So yeah. So I'm gonna look at this little paper. That's all folded up. So. Oh crap. So we have. I'm shooting at the things, and then I'm fighting, and there's some kind of thing in the middle. And one gets on his face. And there comes this big dude. All of a sudden, grabs that mask, puts it on. I guess he turns into that or something. And he's fighting again. Again, he's back in the action. Oh no, he saved him. Okay, so that's in some kind of advertisement. Yes.
Yeah, this is the when you
So,
die.
next page. Oh, it does have instructions.
It does?
Yeah.
I'm looking for my instructions. Oh, found them.
What do you know? Instructions. My most favorite thing ever of building Lego stuff. So when we're done, it should look like that, but not paper version. Okay, so
not paper.
So we have the giant spider thing, which I saw at the store, and it's a red dude, but that's not fire. And then I think that guy's Earth. there's a legendary mask thing or something. And